What if I told you that the future of the internet is not just about connecting people, but about creating a new dimension of human experience, where artificial intelligence and blockchain technology converge to create a decentralized, autonomous, and virtually unstoppable force? This is the promise of Web3, a new generation of internet technology that combines the power of blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to create a world where data is secure, transactions are transparent, and decisions are made by machines. But what does this mean for you, and how can you prepare for this revolution? In this episode, we'll explore the latest advancements in Web3 technology and AI, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to harness their combined power.
To understand the power of Web3 and AI integration, we need to dive deeper into the world of decentralized applications or dApps. These are applications that run on a blockchain network, allowing for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof data storage and transactions. But what makes dApps truly powerful is their ability to integrate with artificial intelligence, creating a new generation of autonomous applications that can learn, adapt, and make decisions in real time. For example, a dApp can use AI to analyze data from a blockchain network, identify patterns, and make predictions about future transactions. This can be used to create decentralized finance applications, such as lending platforms or prediction markets, that are more secure, transparent, and efficient than traditional financial systems.
However, the integration of Web3 and AI is not without its controversies. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI-powered dApps to become too powerful, creating a new generation of autonomous entities that are beyond human control. This raises important questions about the ethics of AI development and the need for new regulations and standards to ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. For example, what happens if an AI-powered dApp starts making decisions that are detrimental to human well-being, or if it becomes a tool for malicious actors to exploit and manipulate people? These are the kinds of questions that we need to be asking, and that we'll be exploring in this episode.
So what does the future hold for Web3 and AI integration? The possibilities are endless, and the potential for innovation and disruption is vast. From creating new decentralized social media platforms to building AI-powered virtual reality worlds, the combination of Web3 and AI is opening up new frontiers for human creativity and innovation. For example, imagine a virtual reality world where AI-powered avatars can interact with humans in a seamless and realistic way, creating new possibilities for entertainment, education, and social interaction. This is the kind of future that we're heading towards, and it's going to be exciting to see how it unfolds.
So what can you do to get started with Web3 and AI integration? The first step is to learn more about the technologies and how they work. There are many online resources and courses available that can help you get started, from blockchain development to AI programming. The second step is to start experimenting with decentralized applications and AI-powered tools, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. And the third step is to join the conversation and start exploring the many communities and forums that are dedicated to Web3 and AI. By taking these steps, you can become a part of the revolution and help shape the future of the internet. So don't wait any longer. Start your journey today and join us on this exciting adventure into the world of Web3 and AI. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes like this, and to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the world of AI and technology.